2nd. It's just been really crazy, just been really busy in the OR every day. Had a little mental breakdown at one point, just like not sure if this was like the right direction, but I think I was just really overworked, and finally had some time to breathe. Look at this sunrise. I can't. So I'm heading to the hospital. I have a full day in the OR. And then I thought instead of showing you guys like the inside scoop of the OR, that's just gonna be like what pays the bills. I'm gonna still bring you around for my life because I still have a life, and I think for a second I let myself get sucked into like this is my life now, and I should have never had that mindset. Your job is not your life. I think I was just so excited about the opportunity to be in the OR that I thought it was gonna be my life, but I have so much more in this life to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go work in the OR all day, and then I'll bring you guys around for the evening. Bumpy roads, and yeah, let's get this day going. About to grab some water and maybe a snack because we have a tiny second to just I have no clue what I look like right now, but boy, what a day. Honestly, it wasn't the worst day of my life, I'm not gonna lie. Some days I'm standing in the OR like, what am I doing? But today was actually a really productive day in my eyes because I did 3 robotic knees, and at least I'm like actually helpful during those and doing stuff. I got done around 5, which was exhausting, so got up at 5, got to the OR at 6, worked all day and came home. Well, stopped at the grocery store on my way home, grabbed a few things for dinner, which is cooking right now. And when I got home, walked the dogs for a quick walk because it's hot out, so only a quick one, about 10 minutes. Then I went down on my treadmill, walked for 30 at like a 2 and a 3 incline, just because I'm really sore from a leg day. I wanted to get a little bit of steps in, and then cooked dinner. It's finishing up. While it finishes up, I'm gonna go rinse off. I'm actually currently like doing some stretching on the floor, but that made me think I'm vlogging, and there's the beeper, so I'm gonna take care of that, and I will bring you guys along for the rest of the evening.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
Hey guys, after dinner, I cleaned up obviously and took the girls for one more walk, and I just blow dried my hair. I use the Shark Airwrap. I literally love it. It's the best. My hair is naturally straight, so I just had to go through it a little bit. I have a bit of studying to do for my online module. It's been such a long day. Let's see what time it is. It's 10 o'clock. So I'm probably just gonna do that tomorrow because tomorrow's kind of an interesting day. I have an office meet with my sales rep in the morning, and then I have to go visit a doctor's office for one of our surgeons. So it shouldn't be like that bad of a morning. And then I'll come back here and study the rest of the day. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill. I used my Hypervise legs, which were amazing after a long day. My glutes are really sore from a leg day, so I'm gonna go try to foam roll and then probably watch some YouTube and get in bed or binge some Grey's Anatomy. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, what a day. I've pulled out my camera like 5 times to vlog and didn't because I was driving most of the day. Busy morning at the office, then to a doctor's office, met Bailey for lunch, came home, did some admin work, took a teeny tiny nap, I think it was like 15 minutes, scheduled a yoga class that was at 5:45, went to the yoga class, came back, showered, now I'm here. I also forgot I walked the dogs before yoga too, super hot, so it was only a tiny one, and then yeah, like went to yoga, came home, showered. Now it's 8 o'clock and
I am starving, so I'm waiting for Bailey to text me back because I'm not sure if he wants dinner with me or if he's just going to pick something up because he's had a long day at work. So while I'm waiting for him to respond, I'm going to have a protein shake. This is just a Fairlife, lactose free. I'm going to watch on YouTube and wait for him to respond. He's like a 30-minute drive away, so by the time he responds, I'll be able to make dinner, but just want to make sure because I've got leftovers. I will just see if he's going to eat out. So that's the game plan. Rest of the night's going to be chill, stretch, and I'll see you guys in the morning if I don't talk to you later or show you anything.
That's fine.
Okay, guys. This is the best part of working out at home because this little guy joins me. Why don't you go get a toy? Where's your toy? Okay. Just finished an incline walk and just finished incline walk, did a little stretching on my mat, and now I'm gonna go get ready for a work lunch and pack up some golf clothes too because my dad wants me to join on the back nine. His tea time's at 12, lunch is at 1, so I should be able to make the back nine. So even if it's the last couple holes, he said he would really enjoy that. So plus I'd love to swing my club. Bailey put a new grip on my driver, so I'm excited to use that. So I'm gonna go get ready and I'll see you guys after. Good morning, everybody. I am heading to the golf course. 8 a.m. tee time, running slight bit behind, so practice is gonna be very minimal. We're gonna get there, a couple swings. Honestly, my swings felt really good last weekend, so I'm not like too concerned about my golf game today. It's gonna be a nice day. It's super cloudy, possible chance of rain. Let's hope that doesn't hit. I think it's supposed to hit towards the end of our round anyways, but I have an umbrella. And we're gonna have a good day. I'll bring you along for 18 holes with me. Through 3 holes on the 4th, and that's par for par. I've had 2 pars and 1 double so far. You guys, it is so muggy and hot. It's supposed to rain, but it hasn't yet, so thinking it's just all disappearing right when it gets here. So yeah, I'm not playing too bad. I think I technically had a 39 on the front, so that's not too shabby.
Oh yeah, that's a good.
Yeah, I
Did it get over the false front? Here I am.
Ooh, it's a big stretch. Hi. Come on, fishy. Come on.
I just finished the shower, so don't mind how I look right now. I need to definitely clean the bathrooms. Out here is pretty clean actually, so don't need to do much out here other than vacuum like I do every day and like mop the floors and wipe down the countertops, which honestly shouldn't take me like more than 5-10 minutes like to wipe down the countertops and stuff. Clean the bathrooms, and then I can really just chill. I do have a load of laundry that needs folded too. So let's get started. I'll show you the bathroom before and then after. So obviously this is the before. I can't stand stuff on our counter, but it just happens. This is the shower. It's just a weekly clean, you know, all that fun stuff. The mirror. Probably clean up some of those clothes too. Here's the after. Oh my God. Finally finished. It's so clean. It's literally sparkling. Love, love, love. Hi, Zoe. Hi. Hi, fish. I'm so sweaty. I went to my hot yoga class. It was at 9 and it ended at 9:15. Or sorry, not 9:15, 10:15. And it's a hot yoga class, and this one was yoga strong, so we just like free weights and stuff. So definitely gonna go need to get some fuel and have a coffee, because I also didn't have coffee this morning. So yeah, this is the aftermath. I know, super cute. And yeah, I'm soaked. Like if I could probably bring this out. So I'm gonna go. I need to get gas first. Gas, home, shower, breakfast, coffee. Change the sheets, because that's the only thing I didn't do yesterday with my cleaning. So let's go get the day on. Happy Sunday. Hi. Can I come in? Thank you. Hi. 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 What's up, Zoe? I love you. I love you. Hi, fish. Hi. Hi, Zoe. Yeah. It's been a morning. I drove down to the hospital, find out the first case was canceled. The second case I had is at 12. So got the robot set up, trays, implants. It's all ready to go. Drove home, worked out. Now I'm going to go back, and luckily now I just have to be back for the case. One of the reps that's there right now said he's running behind on one of his cases. I was in between the cases. So if the case is at 12, I'm just trying to debate when I want to leave. It's 10:45 right now, so it takes like 30 minutes to get down there. But everything is set up. So I usually get there like an hour before to get everything ready, but everything's ready. So I might leave here at 11. I think that's a pretty good bet. Get there at 11:30. If they're running behind, I have my laptop and I'll get some work done. But regardless, then I'll just be there. So yeah, I'm going to head out. After that, I'm free for the day. I just have that one case. So then it'll probably be a consistent day with like lunch. And my sister invited me to an anatomy scan. So that'll be fun because she's pregnant. So it's like the first grandbaby. I'm going to be an aunt. So yeah, I'm going to go, I think, just like relax for a sec and then head back to the hospital. That's pretty.
Yeah.